Not every pair of headphones have to be 200 to 300 bucks. I promise you. These right here, these Tozo headphones are actually pretty decent compared to what I've seen at this price point. You can get it from the TikTok shop, but before you do that, let me tell you about them first. Number one, they charge a USB C. You don't have to use a lightning cable like the Fruit brand. There you go. That's point number one. Point number two, charging indicator light, meaning that when it's charging, you'll know it charges like that even when you open a case. You see that. Number three, the headphones themselves look damn near similar. If you're walking down the street, somebody be like, you know what, they look kind of, I wouldn't notice, but you know what? If I get closer to them, then they look like it. That's what these look like. This is what the Tozo look like. Now, let's get to the cons. Con number one, taking them out of the case. You open these up. Unlike what you're known, from the Fruit brand, whatever. I'm gonna put these in my ear though, so you can hear the difference between when I'm talking in them versus now. Now, this is what they sound like when I'm having a conversation. So if we're on a phone call, FaceTime, or something like that, this is what I'm going to sound like. Does it have active noise cancellation? No, sorry. But they sound really good. They do like incredible bass for me when I'm using them in the office. I keep these at my desk because I travel with over ears. So when I'm in the office, that's what I'm usually using, at least for the last 2 weeks. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give them a seven. And the reason why I'm gonna give them a seven isn't because of the fact that they look similar to the Fruit brand. It's because of the fact that they don't have active noise cancellation. Once you're conditioned to active noise cancellation, you're like, damn, like every other headphone kind of sounds like it bleeds. These don't bleed, but they just don't have the right active noise cancellation for me. Number two, which is a pain point, is when I'm in the gym and I've used these in the gym, they just probably don't fit my ear the way I like them. Now, if you look on the side here, and I'll try to turn so you can see it, this is what they look like. They did not pass the shake test. They look good. They look similar to what you've seen before. But that shake test in the gym, when you're sweating, no go. No go at all. But if you are just looking for an affordable pair of headphones that will simply work when you want them to, they charge a USB-C. They have a decent battery life. When I say decent, meaning I put these in at 9:01. They didn't die until 1:07. I timed it. I clocked it. They give you a notification in the ear and it's like bing bing, bing bing. And guess what? After the second bing bing, they're done. But they also work independent. So you can just have one in at a time. Or, say you want to have one in the case, you have, the other one in your ear, you do that. If you want to have them both in, same hours, 4 hours regardless. That's what you're going to get. So you can either get 4 hours with one or 4 hours with the other, or four in total. But overall, you can get these from the TikTok shop. They look incredible. They sound amazing. Again, it was just the active noise cancellation for me. Let me know what you think. How do they sound? Like, let me know with a comment below. Share this. If you want to look on the TikTok shop, you can look at the link below. If you're watching anywhere else, I need to actually say that. Just check it out on the TikTok shop. Just go over there and check it out. But I'll see you in the next video.